Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. Y'all know how I get during hunting season. So things are winding down here in eastern North Carolina. We're going to get back to making videos, and I want to give you a quick product review here. What I've got is a rocket stove made by Chason. It is a bushcraft or camping device that you can use to cook on, and it has a lot of really great benefits. Minimum fuel consumption when it comes to being able to operate one of these bad boys, because you don't have to buy any wood for it. You don't have to buy any pellets, any charcoal. What you can do is literally use twigs. We're going to get this one started today with some broom straw and broken pieces off of a fallen limb. It is directional heat, so it's contained minimum smoke signature. The external parts, when the fire is really roaring, it get up around 1100 degrees. So that's plenty to cook with. Want to show you all some features of it, and you might want to incorporate this into your hunting camps, bushcraft, survival type device, because you can cook, heat water, and it has that directional heat. One of the drawbacks is kind of heavy. This is not something you put in a backpack. You want to take it in. Usually something like this takes a man to carry it. But those of you from the Marine Corps, if you used to carrying a base plate or whatever, hey, you know what I'm talking about. But basically, this device here can minimize a lot of situations where you don't have to buy firewood or chop firewood for a full-fledged campfire in order to do what you need to do on the outside, like cooking or heating water. It has a grill top on it. You can put the meat directly on the grill. Great tool. And let me show you more about it. Right here you have your damper for controlling your temperature, your airflow. Feed your fuel in through this component here. Up top, what you're looking at is a grill surface here, and also has an adapter for you to put. You can grill directly on it, or you can set a pot up here and slow cook. Back in the back, you've got your handle for moving it when it's hot, and down below is your clean out for your ashes. As you can see, I've got it going. I put a minimum amount from a tree branch in. I'm heating a pot of water right now. We're going to see how long it takes to bring it to a boil. Got the damper wide open. Get the fire going good. But this is one heck of a handy outdoors device.